In this screencast, I'm going to show you an overview of clips to create videos. Now, there are going to be some features that I cannot show you when recording my own screen, which is actually recording the clips in. So I already have a clips kind of generated with a bunch of random pictures or video in here, but I want to show you the overall features so that you can start to play with it and create your own. There are three main parts to clips. There's your live camera, which is what we're viewing right now, the library, which takes you to your camera roll where all of your photos and videos already are, and then posters is a really nice feature that's kind of built in and really good for transitions and kind of carry their own theme with them. So for the live camera itself, I can take a picture with this camera button right here, and then I can record it into my video by pressing and holding this red button, or I can press and swipe up and there'll be a continuously recording stream of it for as long as you want it to show up in your video. So either one. And then your library, of course, is your camera roll where you can do the same thing. You will have to, again, press down on this for as long as you want that picture or video to record into your own video. And then posters, I'll show you these. There's a ton of them, all kind of carrying different themes with them. Some have a little bit of like an animated, so if there's candles, they might actually be flickering. Like the stormy night one, the rain is actually trickling down the window, so some have like an animation to them. There's a ton to choose from. This is a countdown clock that's actually counting down. So there's already effects kind of built into these, but they're great for transitions. And, you'll choose one and you'll do the same thing. You'll record it into your own video for as long as you actually want it in there. So I already have one recorded in here. That's another one that is already recorded in there. And if I play it, you might hear my voice talking over it a little bit.
This down.
You can see in the stormy night one.
To be able to show them.
You can see that too. So it's kind of nice. Then any of the pictures or the video that you take and bring in, you can add some fun filters and things like that. So if I come over to this picture, I can add different effects under the star. So I'm going to tap on that and I can change my filter, whatever I want it to be. We'll go with it. There's labels. This is your kind of option for text. So you can see that I already have one label in here and I can add another, which you can kind of turn, move out of the way. You can also, of course, change whatever the text is and you want it to say. So we can go with that. And then, but there's a lot of different ones that you can kind of change the text with and use, which is really nice. And then stickers. There are a lot of different stickers available as well, and emojis, of course, which can always be fun. Pretty much anything you would find on another tablet. So feel free to play with those. And then after you're done putting all the effects on, you can trim it, of course, if you don't want it to show up for as long. And then you can save the clip to your video. And it will save an actual image of it to your library, to your photos, if you want to do that. And then you can bring it in and record your voice over it, which is kind of nice. So be aware of that. And then finally, one of the last things that is beneficial and built right into clips is the music. In the upper right hand corner, you can click on that music note and you get a lot of built-in soundtracks that exist. Evergreen. again to be done with that. And I can add it in if I want it. Oops. Once I have it downloaded. And so that'll show up within my entire video. But if there's something where, if there's a clip that I don't want any music to, or even audio to for the video, you can actually just mute the clip. So depending on the one that you, depending on the one that you touch, you can just mute it so that there's no music or no audio if you're going for that. And that's it. Then you can press done in the upper left hand corner. And in the bottom right hand corner, you can share out your video by clicking save video, and then that'll get saved to your library. And from there, your library of photos, so pretty much your camera roll. And then you can share it from there, upload it, and do whatever you need to do. So hope that helps.